I'm Matt Gelka in Washington, where another case in front of Supreme Court justices involved the potential expansion of presidential power. President Trump tried firing Rebecca Slaughter, a Democratic member of the Independent Federal Trade Commission, back in March as he sought to reshape the government. Lower courts blocked the firing, but an emergency order from the Supreme Court allowed it to go through. The High Court now decides if Trump was within his rights to do it or if the move violated the separation of powers. The ruling could greatly expand his and future presidents' executive power over independent agencies. The court's liberal justices questioned giving more power to a sitting president.
I don't understand why it is that the thought that the president gets to control everything can outweigh Congress's clear authority and duty to protect the people in this way.
A 90-year-old precedent known as Humphrey's executor stands in the way of letting the president fire independent agency heads on a whim. The 1935 ruling also dealt with the FTC, but Chief Justice John Roberts said during oral arguments, a lot has changed in the almost century since.
Humphrey's executor is just a dried husk of whatever people used to think it was. It was addressing an agency that had very little, if any, executive power.
The president has tried to fire multiple people across different sectors of government since he took office back in January. Many firings have hit court roadblocks, with the Supreme Court already issuing some emergency rulings siding with the Trump administration and letting some firings go through.
If I was a betting man, I would say that Humphrey's estate is not going to make it to 91. I mean, this is indeed a 90-year-old doctrine that helps shape much of the government in terms of independent commissions. But it has long been challenged by people who said, where does that authority come from?
The court's ultimate decision could be more narrow, so it doesn't involve the Federal Reserve. The president has also tried to fire a Democratic member of the Fed's Board of Governors, Lisa Cook. The High Court has her firing case on the docket for January. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.